Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the webcam not detected issue in Windows 11. If your webcam isn't soon showing up in Apps or Device Manager, it could be due to driver issues, privacy settings, or hardware problems. Don't worry, there are several effective steps to get it working again. Let's get started. Step 1, check Device Manager for your webcam. Open the search menu. Type Device Manager and open it. In the list, expand cameras, right-click on your webcam, select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. If no update is found, right-click again and select Disable Device, then right-click again and select Enable Device. Step 2, check permissions and Windows updates. Open the search menu and type Settings. Select Privacy and Security from the left panel. Scroll down and click on Camera under App Permissions. Make sure camera access is on and the specific apps have access to. Then go to Windows Update from the Settings menu. Click Check for updates, install all available updates, and restart your PC. That's it. Your webcam should now be working properly. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial.